So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. Guys, I hope you guys are doing good and welcome again to the another session conducted by Olymptrade. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I am the financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing good and everything is working fine on your side, and of course you guys are excited to learn a new strategy today. So as the name of the strategy is already mentioned in the description, which we are going to use, the name of the strategy is triple rebound. How we can use this strategy, what are the signals, how to apply it manually, automatically, we will be covering everything. And guys, also stay connected because NFP data is about to come. It will be there hardly within next 29 minutes. So of course we can expect so many things. Before we proceed ahead, just a quick information, guys. Make sure you share the channel, share the link of this channel with your dear ones, so we can connect with as many people as we can, considering that thing that we are able to help them, because you know that we are conducting these webinars every now and then, just to considering that thing, like if any of our trader they need help with anything like technical tools, strategies, market news, market updates, of course we are here for you. So make sure, share the channel, subscribe it, be part of the family, support us so we can support you guys. So I can see that some of my traders, some of my friends, they have already joined and they are already aware that the comment section is already open for you guys. So guys, in case if you will find any difficulty, any problem, make sure you mention in the comment section. And before we proceed ahead, just confirm me one thing guys, if my audio and video is completely clear, because if any adjustments are required, of course I will do in prior, just considering that thing that we will not be facing any issues in the middle of the session. So we will hardly wait one more minute and then we will proceed. So I can see that there is a hello from Mr. Hara Infotech. Hello sir. There is one more message from Jibril. I'm so sorry Jibril, I think the last thing you are saying that your name is Jibril and you are from Indonesia. So hello Jibril. Jibril, I am very happy to know that like you are from Indonesia and you joined our channel to learn about trading. Of course I will try my best to give you all the required information which will help you to become a disciplined and a successful trader. So just stay connected. I'll hardly take one more minute and then we will just start the session. Hello Devendra ji, I hope you are doing good. And guys, before we proceed ahead, just a quick question. Have you tried this triple rebound strategy in the past? Like any experience, if any of my friend, any of the trader has used it? So if you have used it, put a plus in the comment section. If not, put a minus. So I'll be having an information that how many people are aware about it and how many are not. So I'll try to cover in that way, so that should be more easy for you guys. And of course, money management, risk management, of course they are going to be the bonus point I am going to talk about, because these are the things like where most of the traders they are struggling with. So okay, so without wasting any more time, let's kick off the session guys. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert from the Olymptrade. Olymptrade is used to conduct webinars every now and then just to help our traders. So this is one of them. You can subscribe the channel, be part of it. On this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So whichever is comfortable for you, like whether it's Arabic, English, Thai, Indonesian, Portuguese, Hindi, make sure you subscribe the channel, and on a single platform, on a single channel, everything is available. So of course we will be talking about another things also, but we will start this session. So as you guys are already aware about the name of the strategy, it's triple rebound. How to apply the strategy? Let's start with that. So as you can see that there is a button in the shape of alphabet A. Just click on this one. It's with the name of technical analysis. Just click on this button and there is going to be a new screen. Just go to the strategies, For sure, Devendraji, I'll try to give you some information about the candlesticks also, but I will try to keep the things simple because that should be more, easy for every one of us. But if you want to go for extra mile, if you you are ready to do some homework, of course I have something for you. Just stay connected. Okay, so just go to the strategy, keep on scrolling, and the last one, second last one, sorry, is with the name of triple rebound. This is the name of the strategy which we are going to use today. These three lines, these are stating that this is an expert level strategy. The name of the strategy, FTT and FX, this green and red button, they are indicating that on which trading methods you can use. So it can be used for fixed time also and forex as well. I'll click on that one. A small quick introduction video is going to be there. For now, no need to bother yourself, no need to explore that. Of course, I am here to help you guys, but in case in future, whenever you are exploring it again, and if you are not able to memorize something, or if you forgot something, of course this video is going to be a holy grail. It's going to be help you a lot. A small introduction about the strategy, that how it works, what are the indicator, oscillator we are going to use it. In this one we are going to use only one oscillator, but it is mentioned 3. Why? Because 3 different frequencies are going to be used of RSI. So it's a single oscillator but with 3 frequencies, so that is why we are considering it as 3 oscillators. I'll click on the enable, back. So see, RSI 7, 14 and 21. I'll just make a quick change in that one, not with the frequency, guys. Make sure you do not change the frequency. I'll just make a small change with the color. So let's make 7 as yellow, 14 as red, and leave the 21 as it is. Okay, so there is how long have you been trading on Olymptrade? Umaji, it's been almost 5 years that I have been trading on the platform. So Jibril ji is looking to, for sure, Jibril ji, I'll help you that how you can open your position and what should be the correct time. So nothing to worry about that one. And it's not only about this strategy. We have discussed about so many strategy in the past also, so make sure you just explore the complete playlist also. It's all in different languages, as you mentioned that you are from Indonesia, so we have a playlist for that language also, so make sure you follow that. Okay guys, so as you can see that the strategy is already applied on my screen. Now this piece of information for those friends, those who haven't reached on the expert level, so now they will think that this session is not useful for them because that strategy is locked and they have to pay something or they have to spend something to get it unlocked. So guys, you are completely wrong. You do not need to pay anything. I'll tell you that how you can apply it manually. See, all we need RSI 7, 14 and 21. Now just suppose if you are on this screen, you just click on the tool side, just type RSI, click on this one. Which frequency you need first? 7. Okay, I'll click on this one, 7, change the color, back, again add tools, again RSI. So as I have already applied 4, so maximum you can apply 4, but when you will be applying from the first one, so of course you will be getting option for 2, 3 also. And one more thing guys, once you apply the strategy, just click on these 3 dots, save the strategy. So do not need to memorize that what should be the frequency, what was the frequency which I have used last time. So everything can be saved. Just save it with your favorite name or make it triple rebound. So in case in future if you want to explore it on YouTube channel, so that should be easy for you, that how you can track it. So far I have talked about that how you can apply this strategy manually and automatically. Till that, if you have any question, make sure comment section is for you guys. Franco, very good evening from my end and very good morning to you. I'm happy to know that like people from different corners of the world, they are joining. So I'm glad to know. And guys, make sure if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of that, support us so we can support you guys and we can talk about different things. So far, if everything is clear, put a plus. If not, put a minus, because I haven't received any confirmation regarding if you guys have used this strategy in the past or not. Now the major part of the conversation, how to use it. Now we have already applied the strategy, so of course we should be aware that how to use this strategy. So it's very simple, guys. It's very simple. In all three RSI, you can see that there are three common levels: 70, 50 and 30. 70, 50, 30, 70, 50, 30. What these levels are saying? So the topmost, the red level, that is considered as the overbought zone, and the bottom one is known as the oversold, that is the mid level. So if you just want to memorize it, just a very layman idea. Okay, so Hara Infotech ji, do you have any doubt? Just let me know, please. Just type your doubt. I'll just talk about that. So just in a layman language, that how you can memorize it. So overbought ending with the T, so the top level, T as a top level, overbought ending with the T. Oversold ending with the D is the down level. So this is the overbought, this is the oversold. So in case if you are not able to memorize it, no need to bother yourself. Just remember that thing, that how this strategy works. So this strategy states that whenever the market is entering in any of these zones, either that is a overbought or oversold, then we can predict that there can be a price correction which will again move the market in the opposite direction. I mean to say that if the market is going in the upward side and cross this overbought zone, so then there could be some prediction, there can be some price correction which will try to push the market again downward sides. And when the market will enter to this level, will cross this level, the RSI will cross this level again while coming back, or RSI will cross this level while going up, then they will give you an indication that this could be your position when you should open a trade. So again, I'll repeat myself, whenever the market is moving either out of the overbought zone or oversold zone, so we can predict that there can be some price corrections which can push the market to come back in this gray zone. And whenever the intersection between this 70 level or the 30 level will be there, then that can give you an indication that market can go into that specific direction, and there we will open our position. But guys, one more thing, there is no such strategy, there is no any holy grail which will promise you that you will be getting 100% accuracy. So make sure, considering that thing, always take your trade precisely in such a way that if any specific trade will go negative, you should be able to recover it. Okay, because see, these strategies, these are based on the mathematical calculations. They are not promising 100% accuracy, but in case if you are able to get a hold on that and you are able to make 55 to 60 or more than that success rate, I can assure you, with the good money management, with the good risk management, you will be able to make a handsome profit. Okay, so there is a question again from Jibril. Okay. I think Jibril ji is looking to ask that with 1 minute, how they can open a good position. Again, there is a question from Umaji that how long have you been trading on Olymptrade? Ma'am, it's almost 5 years that I have been trading on this platform. Franco ji is asking the 3 points lines, red or green for open operation. I'll repeat myself, Franco. So see, whenever any of these, we will be focusing one by one, or let me just show you with some examples. Okay, so whenever the market will enter in this zone, just below this green line, as you can see that all three RSIs are there, but the with the least frequency is more active as compared to this one, and this one is more active as compared to this frequency. So that is why it's 7, 14 and 21. So 21 is the least responsive as compared to other two. So we will be finding a situation when any of these two, most probably most of time these two are going to be the one, whenever they will be entering this zone or this zone, either on the upper side of red or below the green. So whenever they will be crossing this level, again they will start moving inside this level, and when the condition met at any level, you will be opening your position. So if the intersection will be in the upper side, upward direction, or let me give you the example for the downward trend also. So this is the example for the downward. You can trade on this middle level also, but once you will be getting a hold on that market on this strategy, then you will be able to trade on this level. So this can act as a support and resistance, both of them. So if the market is, if any of these two RSI are trying to cross this but they are not able to, so that it react as a resistance. But when it already covered it, intersected it, and then bouncing back from the same level again and again, then it will act as a support. So that is a part of price action. If you are not aware about that one, just let me know. I'll talk about the price action also. I'll just give you a quick brief information about price action. Okay, so guys, so far if you have any question, time 3 minutes or 1 minute. Sir, for this one the suggested time frame is going to be 3 to 4 candles. By that I mean to say, if your chart time frame is 1 minute, then your trade time frame should be 3 to 4 minutes. If your chart time frame is increased by, you made it 10 minutes, then of course 3 to 4 candles means 30 to 40 minutes, or you can consider it 2 to 4 candles at least, but not less than 2. So make sure, for the beginners, if you are new to the strategy, start with the basics. Only we will be taking trades with these overbought and oversold zone. Once you will be having a hold on that, then of course we are going to use this middle level as well. You might find that this strategy is a little slow, because like it will take time to reach to the either going outside of from this level or this level, but this will this strategy will help you to stay away from the market reversal. And this is the beauty of this strategy. Most of the traders, they are struggling with this thing, that how to react in such situation whenever there is there could be a market reversal, because they are stating that, sir, I took a trade in a upward direction, market was going into the upward direction from a very long time, so many candles were in green color, I took a trade and suddenly there was a market movement and the market started going into the downward direction. So these are the indicators, oscillators, which can help you to get in touch with that thing, to touch those points from where you can predict that, okay, we can predict a market reversal, so we should not follow the candles only, we should also look into that at any moment there can be a price reversal. There is one more, stochastic, that we will be using on another strategy. So RSI is also one of them. Okay, so there is a comment from Mr. Hara Infotech that please explain about the price action. Sir, that is going to be a very vast topic, but I'll give you a small piece of introduction, because price action is something which is going to be useful in every strategy. Franco ji, again I'll confirm that for 1 minute chart time frame, trade time frame should be 2, 3 or 4 minutes. So for with this strategy, I'll not suggest to open a 1 minute trade. Minimum it should be 2 or more than 2. Okay, so price action. So I'll just give you a small brief about that one, or just a small part of that, just to have a get a touch of that. So see, in market there are two levels. The one is support and the second one is Franco, for FTT, that is going to be for 1 minute chart time frame, and trade time frame should be 2 to 3 candle, or if you will increase the chart time frame, then of course you should increase the trade time frame as well. But for forex, minimum chart time frame, I suggest it should be at least 1 hour. I'll talk about that also. I'll just show you with an example. Just give me a minute. Let me just cover this price action. Of course, I'll talk about that. Apart from that, guys, if anybody else is also having any question, make sure they post in the comment section. Of course, I'll be talking about that. Okay. So in market, always there are two levels. The first one is support and the second one is resistance. The support level is the bottom level. So as you can see that the market tried to move downward direction. From there it went into the upward side. After very long time, again market tried to move into the downward direction, again touch almost the similar level, and market was not able to cross it, break it, and again moved back. So the more time the market will move from a specific level like in the backward side, or it is getting reversed, that will be your support level. Like at this part of market, see 1 2 3 times market tried to cross this level, or we can find, see there is so many times. So this is how, whenever you are going to take any trade, just scroll a bit back and just check if the market is any of these level, like whether there is a support level. Now I'll give you example of the resistance level also, then I'll give you the answer that why these are important. So just opposite to the support level, like whenever the market is trying to go downward and the market is getting stuck at a specific price and moving backward, so of course there is going to be a price where the maximum of the time the market is trying to cross over, it is reaching there and again coming back. So like at this level, this can be considered, then the market cross this break this point and market move ahead. So this is the resistance level. Let me see few more, or let's check on the another asset also. And this is applicable for all assets, like the strategies also can be used on all the assets. Support resistance is also applicable on all assets. So see, as you can see, this is the resistance level, this can be the support level. The more time market will get stuck there, the more powerful that point can be, that resistance or support level can be. This is how we can use it. Now how it will help you with your strategy. So whenever we are going to open any trade, so we will be considering these 2 points also, because whenever the market is getting stuck, if the market is getting stuck at this level every time and the market is going into the downward direction, and even though we are getting a indication from this level that market can go into the downward direction, but if there is a support level, then we will wait until the market will not bounce back or market will not break that level. If the market will break that level, then of course the market is going to follow that trend for at least 2 to 3 candles. But if the market will bounce back, then of course that signal will turn into a false signal. Why? Because earlier the RSI was trying to intersect that one, but suddenly you will find that the market bounced back and again RSI will change their direction. And the same applicable for the support side also, from the bottom side and from the top side, both of them. So whenever you are going to open any position, make sure you consider this part also, that whether the market is not near to any of the support or resistance level. And second thing, there are 3 trends in the market. The first one is bearish, second is bullish, and third one is the consolidation, sideways trend. Never ever trade in sideways. As we know that there is an old saying in the market that trend is your friend. So trend is your friend means always look for the trend and then trade. If there is a sideways trend, guys, stay away from that, because that can lead to some negative trades, because that is a time that when there is a lot of volatility. So these are the 3 sessions in which the market is moving. Okay, now I'll come to the question of Franco. So as he was having a doubt that how to use this strategy on forex. Okay, let me just make a quick change. So in this one, as you guys are already aware that the more longer duration we will be having, the better it will be for us. Like the longer the position we are going to open in a specific direction and the market is moving into that specific direction, the more profits we are going to make. So in case if we are going to analyze the market on the basis of only 1 minute, then of course that will be giving you the information about that how the market can react in a next 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minute, or max to max 30 minute, make it 30. But we need a longer time duration, we need a longer position which can help me to make more profit. So of course we are going to analyze the market with at least a 1 hour time duration. So all you just need to change time frame of the chart and then analyze in the same manner. Overbought zone, crossover done, market moving into the backward direction. Once the market cross this level, open your trade. If the market is trying to cross this level and market is getting stuck, you can close the position. Again market crossed over this position, this level, you can open your next position, because again the support level is already broken. Again a market will start moving into the downward direction. When the market will touch this level or will cross over this level and start coming backward in this direction, you can close your position. So in the same, from the downward to upward, the market went into this direction at this level. When the RSI, both RSIs, any of these two will intersect this level, you will be opening your position. If the market is able to crack this level, cross over this level, you will stay in with the same position. Market, once the market will touch, RSIs will touch these two level, at that time you can close the position. Or once the market will move a little up and start moving downward and trying to cross this level. Okay, so I hope Mr. Franco your doubt is clear, and Jibril, thank you so much for that. Guys, any other doubts if you have, feel free to ping me. Let me just look for some signal. Now we will be doing some live action, we will be doing some live trading. But guys, before coming to that part, very important piece of information. See, this is a financial market. Always there is a risk of partial and complete portfolio, complete capital loss. There is a risk. So considering that thing, always take your trades in such a way that you are having a hold on market. Once you get a hold on market, once you practice everything, once you learn everything, then start your trading journey to avoid these losses. Second thing, all the trades which I have taken in the past, I am going to take in the future, I am going to take now, everything is depending on my strategies, my practice, and I am going to be responsible for that. And the third and the main part, even though guys this session is live, but there is a time gap which is known as the telecast gap, which lies somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So considering that thing, there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to open, like as per IST, if I talk about if I am going to open somewhere around 6:59, so that might be visible to you at 6:59 minute, 30 second, or 6 or 7 o'clock, and that can lead to negative results, because if you will be opening your position a little late, then of course that can lead to the negative results. So considering that thing, always avoid copy trading. Okay, so this is the beauty of the NFP data, guys. NFP data is released. Let me give you the brief information about that also. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, so I have already opened the chart. Non-farming payroll data is about to get released. So previous that was 256k and the forecast is 169k, and sharp at 7 it was supposed to be released. Open my application again, just a quick moment guys, I'm so sorry. I need to just refresh my application again. just 1 second. Okay, so it's taking so much time to refresh. I'm so sorry guys for the technical error. My application is loading again. Just give me a quick moment. Let me just load it again, and we will just continue the conversation. Till the time, I just have a look on the market news, the NFP data. Okay, so there is some. Just a minute. Let me just try to explore it. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to get a hold on my application again. Just keep on refreshing it, and here we go. Everything seems to be streamlined. Perfect. Apologies guys, I'm so sorry for this interruption. There were some issues with the technical tools, and as you guys, I hope you guys understand that this is a technical thing, so of course they can betray you at any time, especially when something important is going on. Okay, so what we were talking about, so we were talking about that strategy, and we will be doing some live trading. Okay, so guys, I'll keep on I'll start shuffling my cards. I'll start shuffling the assets, and I'll look for the signals. In case if you will be able to getting some signals, of course you are most welcome to ping me in the comment section. I'll be taking trade on your behalf, although I am not going to share any of my profit, but at least you will be getting information that whether you are getting a hold on that or not. So considering that thing, make sure, don't be lazy, make sure you comment in, put comment in the, and I'll be taking trades. Okay, so far if you are able to understand the strategy, that how it works, what are the things we are supposed to consider, another levels like price action and everything, trending market, trading zones, trading sessions. If anything is there, any doubt is there, please make sure you put the comment section, and if everything is clear, just put a plus. Okay, so let's start hunting now. Okay, no signals on this one. Let's go for the Europe. Okay, so one RSI already crossed the oversold zone, but another RSIs are still in the same, so nothing in the pipeline so far. Let's look for the another. Now nothing is there. Let's look in the Astro. Again, the signal is a little old, so of course we will not be taking trade on that, because this is something like, you know, trying to jump in a running train, so of course that can lead to accident. So this is something that same applies in the trading also. If the signal is a little old, like already 2 to 3 candles are complete, and there is no specific trend like which can give you assurance that market can prevail into that, better to avoid that, because avoiding a negative trade is also a profit, guys. Why? Let me clear. No need to bother yourself to recover it. no need to spend time to recover it, and there will be no pressure to recover it, and that is the best thing. Because what I always say, if you are not able to make profit in the trading, it's fine, at least you are not losing something. So at the end of the day, if your capital is not positive, it's not plus with any specific number, then make sure at least it should not be negative also. So make sure you consider that thing. Yes, always try to cover your fund or use your fund in such a way that you are able to use it for the future purpose. Okay, so and if I'll talk about the NFP data, so we were predicting it should be 169k, but the result is 143k, so that is in red. Let me show you the reason, or like how it affect the market. Let's open any of the currency pairs in USD, and this is the time of 7 o'clock. So see, as the data was negative, it was not that negative. The forecast was 169k, but the real one is 143k. So very small difference. So that is the reason that the market volatility or the sudden fluctuations or the candle size is not that big, but you can see that the wick of the candle, the price moved downward that much, but the difference was not that much, so market recovered itself. So how this data reacted on the market, let me show you, talk about that. So if the data is positive, all the currency pairs where the US dollar is in the front side, just in a layman language, where the US dollar is in the front side, if the data is red, you can see red candles. Let me show you more examples. So we talked about checked in USD versus CAD. Let's see USD versus JPY. Let's see 7 o'clock, which candle color. Okay, let's look for more examples, then there might be some information at least about the JPY also. And there will be some currency pairs where the USD will be in the back side. So this is 7 o'clock, because the data was not that negative, so market recovered itself. Let's keep on hunting on the signals also. Just a moment, guys. Okay, so let me see if any more comments are there. I am from Indonesia, be listening and learning. Okay, so there is a last comment from the Jibril that he's stating that he's from Indonesia. Great. Okay, so let's keep on hunting, guys, for the signals. So if I talk about the resistance level is always already crossed. Let's open a trade for 3 minutes in a upward direction. That is on the basis of the support resistance and on the basis of this middle level, because as I can see that we are not able to get any hold on these levels so far. Market is a little slow and volatility is there, so it is not crossing over these levels, so we will keep on hunting for this. See, that was a very nice signal. All three RSI, they intersected this level, and again market tried to recover itself. Market move into the upward direction. At this level, at this very first candle, market was saying that I am moving to upward direction. So we were supposed to open a trade at this level. 1, 2, 3 candle was also positive, 4 was also positive. So these are the situations which we are supposed to find in this strategy while using the RSI, while using the triple rebound. Okay, so let's look for some more. Okay, so this is the time RSI 7 crossed the oversold zone, but rest 2 are still in the middle. Guys, that is the reason that I have also talked about this middle level, because sometime I have already mentioned that this strategy is a little slow, but once you will be having a hold on that one, then of course you will be able to trade on this middle level as well. So that is the reason the number of signals will increase, but only at one condition: once you have already practiced everything with this level. with the basic level, the overbought and oversold one. Okay, so let's look for more. Sir, I'm so sorry, but I didn't get your comment. It's Liaha Hehi. I'm sorry if I pronounced it incorrectly. Guys, if you have any question, make sure comment section is still active. I am still available. I'm more than happy to take your doubts. I'm more than happy to help you with it. Sir, please, as I can see that you might have shared your trader ID. So please just share your concern also. Please type in English, so that will be more easy for me. So I can try to help you with your concern. Okay. Let's look for some more signals. So market is a little slow, but nothing to worry about. Okay, so at this time we can see that there can be a signal, but okay, market is also trending, no support resistance level. Okay, so if the market will move into the upward side, we can take a trade in the upward direction, because so far it's trying to cover it, but again getting stuck over there. This is the level also. And guys, as I have already talked about that, so if you are new to the trading, I'm so sorry Vasalji to hear that, but just for just a small piece of information for that, we are the member of the FinCom, and we are also regulated by the government of Venue too. So there is nothing like that, and apart from that, every now and then we are conducting Zoom sessions, we are conducting these YouTube sessions, because we also want you to make profits on the platform, because the more profits you will be making, the more commissions we are going to get. Arsalanji, hello, I am doing good. Great, I am doing great. Yeah, please ask me question. Please go ahead. Just make it quick, because we are drop it. Yeah, so I was talking about that if you are new to the trading, if you are learning on that, so there are specific tools, there are specific things which you can use. So the first one, you can be part of this channel, subscribe it. Every now and then we are conducting sessions in different languages, so make sure you join them, explore them, learn about different technical tools. Second thing, just go to this button and explore these tools, help center and education. You will be getting a lot of information, like candle patterns, chart patterns, candle types, how to make a deposit, withdrawal, from a basic to us. Very nice information is available over there. Okay, so bro, I feel someone looking on my trading for 1 minute. Sir, can you just explain a little bit more, like somebody is looking, what do you mean by that? Okay, Vasalji saying Vasalji, I'm so sorry, but please just confirm, like whether you have some issues with the deposit or withdrawal. When I open a 1 minute trade, is going other side. Sir, that is the reason that we are also suggesting that use some technical tools to check whether there is a market reversal or not. Please confirm if you are using any strategy, anything, any technical tool, if you are using, or you are just taking trades on the basis of the candle patterns. Just please let me know. Yeah, so I was talking about these two buttons, and apart from that, there is one more website you can explore. The name of the website is Investopedia. Go to the search bar, look for the price action for the beginning, then after that you can explore candle patterns, chart patterns. These are going to help you a lot. Is it better now? Let me just fix it more. Yes, sir. So, is it better now? I'm so sorry, Devendraji. I know that like there was some technical issues also, and apart from that, the market is slow, so we were not able to open much trade. So that was not interactive, and apart from that, of course, there was not a contest also. Half of voice was coming. I'm so sorry. Just confirm if that is better now. If still you're facing the same issue, just close the session and just join it again. Sir, network from my end, that is completely fine. Just put your device on airplane and then just again activate. Talk about this next video. No worries, Arsalanji. In the next very next session, of course, we will be talking about that also. And guys, as I was talking about the different sources for the information, so I have talked about this button Investopedia. You can join us on the YouTube. Apart from that, if you have reached to the expert level, so there is a special service which we are catering to the expert level holder. We are giving free Zoom sessions. So we have a team of analysts. Those will be conducting free Zoom sessions with you. During these sessions, they are going to talk about different things, different technical tools which can help you to improve your trading skills. And that is the best part, that all the sessions, whether you are going to take 1 or 1000, all these sessions are going to be free of cost. So make sure you take benefit of that, you be part of that. And in case if so far like you didn't get your analyst, make sure you update your contact number on your profile. If you have already updated, but because of any reasons you were not able to attend that call, just drop a message to the support team, not in the comment section, guys. Please avoid sharing any information in the comment section, any personal information. Share it with the support team. Just drop a message, guys, I needed help in trading, please raise a callback request, and share your contact number with them. They will forward that request to my department. Someone from my department will come into the picture and we will line up something for you. So how to contact finance commission department, please tell. Sir, that is not within us. So for that you can contact the support team, of course, and they will help you with that, all the concern. How can I message you person? I'm so sorry, Arsalanji, you will not be able to. But if you have reached to the expert level or at least advanced level, if you want to have a session, just drop a message to the support team. So guys, I hope so far the strategy is clear, everything is fine for you guys, you understood the strategy. We were not able to take that many trades because there was some certain volatility, and the NFP data about which I was supposed to talk, that was not that much aggressive, so we were not able to find that much big trends in the market. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed a bit, you got some new information about which you can work on. And of course, before ending up the session, guys, a small request: whatever the strategies you are learning from any source, make sure you practice those strategies and work on that first with on demo account, and after that you take it to the live account. Vasalji, I request you to please drop your trader ID in the comment section. I'll take it and I'll just forward it to the support team and they will get in touch with you. Just please drop your trader ID only. Please avoid dropping any another information. I'm still connected hardly for next 1 minute, so make sure you drop your trader ID. I'll forward it to the relevant department. Okay, so guys, till then, thank you so much for joining. It was lovely talking to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot. So once again, my name is Kunal Kapoor. I was the financial expert for the day. Thank you so much, and I hope you will stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. Cheers.